In this video, I will go over how you can lower your ping in Apex Legends on PC. Now first, you just want to try the basics, such as using a wired connection if you can, so switch from Wi-Fi to an Ethernet connection since that will always help. Then close your background applications, disconnect unused devices, and optimize your router. Besides that, you can also optimize your in-game settings. For example, you can change your default graphics settings, so you can adjust it to a lower quality, rendering distance and texture details can reduce the workload on your computer. Also, you can disable full screen optimizations, which can improve performance, and disable game DVR. Now, some other tips that you can try is to restart Apex Legends, update the drivers, check your server status, but many people have already done all of this, and if you still have high ping, then what I would try is a gaming VPN, such as GearUP Booster. It offers a completely free trial, so you can just check if it works for you. If it does, you can choose to get a subscription with them. If it doesn't, you can just cancel it. But basically, GearUP Booster, if you go to their games right here that are supported, you can see if I search for Apex Legends that it is supported, and not just on PC but on every device basically. But on PC you can see right here it is supported, and you can really easily reduce your ping. If you're wondering if it works, first of all you can just try it for yourself. But in terms of reviews, you can see they almost only have 5-star reviews on Trustpilot. Now, if you would like to try GearUP Booster, you can claim a free trial through the link down in the description. From there, you can just click on Get GearUP Booster and then it will download. And you can claim, I think, a 3-day free trial. Then if it doesn't work, you can just gonna delete it and cancel it. If it does work, then you have found a way to also lower your ping in Apex Legends on PC. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.